Napenda huyu yako na hijab na hata huyu yako na saa kubwa kama mimi. Mariano. I wanted to tell you just one thing as I'm passing around. Now that I Monday, if we are not happy, then we are now going to mop up, as we usually do, so that we shall leave no children. I work with the Ministry of Interior. You can see this gentleman. We are going to mop up. Every child will go to school. That is His Excellency the President's order. And I think it has worked very well, isn't it? Except that Kenyans never say anything good about anything, about anybody. But this is one area where the President has done extremely well. I have seen children who otherwise would not have gone to top schools are now going to top schools because the corruption is gone. And we are even making sure that they have 4-year scholarships.